You might be wondering what I'm going to do with this channel now that I just put out this video that says I'm going to split it in two, with one half of the channel going to founder exits, where you have software entrepreneurs that are looking to sell their business, and the other channel going to go to dev-driven acquisitions for engineers, developers looking to acquire a business. So what am I going to do with this channel? Well, acquiring and selling a business is only two of the three parts of what actually goes on. The middle part is all the operations, and most of us actually spend a vast majority of our time doing the operations of a business. The acquisition is important, then you do operations for anywhere from a few months to a few years, and then you start looking to sell it. I definitely get a lot of experience in the operations piece because currently I'm running QuotaGuard, I'm running Gig Elixir, I'm running PutsRex, I'm running PutsBox, and I'm running Appointment Reminder. So I've got 5 different operational businesses that I'm running. I learn a lot, I make a lot of mistakes, and I like to pass all that content on as well. And that's what this channel is going to focus on. All of that information I want to share on my SaaS and software operations. I'm going to be publishing it through my Fruesletter newsletter, it's tough to say, Fruesletter newsletter, as well as putting out content on this channel. So the Michael Frew channel is going to deal with the whole realm of acquisitions, software operations, and exits, and how they all fit together. And then very specifically, the 2 other channels are going to deal with just those pieces, which is either the exit or the acquisition. So if you're already subscribed to this channel, don't worry, I'm still going to be talking exits, I'm going to be still talking about acquisitions, but I'm going to be talking about it in the full business cycle. Go ahead and subscribe to the Fruesletter at fruesletter.com. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave comments, send me questions. I love to create content based on user questions, and I hope to see you real soon. Thanks.